Singapore's National Space Office is looking at policies to ensure safe and sustainable space activities. That's as ventures out of this world pick up. To tap the growing market, local firms are adopting new tools that lower costs and speed up delivery. But as Nasyrah Rohim finds out, challenges remain.
This local optical tech firm developed Singapore's first space camera that's tough enough to survive a rocket launch. When attached to satellites, it captures images that can be used to support detailed Earth monitoring and mapping. In its next phase, the company is tapping technologies like 3D printing to push out new products.
A key development in satellite or payload manufacturing is actually 3D printing. So 3D printing has enabled complex optical and structural designs, and which were previously impossible. So 3D printing has also accelerated the developmental as well as turnaround times for prototyping.
The space industry operates far above us, but its impact is being felt here on Earth. For example, parts like these are found on satellites. These satellites circle the Earth and scan the Earth's surface for data. Such data has become more affordable over the years. From better port operations to more precise climate monitoring, it's hoped that more companies will see the value of using such Earth observation data. One communications firm is already doing so, using low-orbit satellites that allows transmission beyond traditional infrastructure. But it says challenges around the supply chain remain.
Rare earth is also one of the important part of material used in space for satellite. For us, we are not building satellites, but of course, my customers, my partners, they will be affected. We do use some of these earth-related materials in semiconductor and things like that. So yes, if it become an acute issue, really become an issue, I think the whole industry will see some bottlenecks there.
That's where Singapore's Office for Space Technology and Industry comes in. Amongst its focus areas are growing the sector and building international partnerships to tackle emerging issues like overcrowding in space.
Many countries today are launching a lot of satellites. Potentially that creates a space debris issue, making sure that we are able to both be a responsible space player and potentially also develop innovative technologies to ensure that we can declutter space. Are things that are not only just trending, but Singapore is also participating in and playing a role to study, to solve these real-world issues.
Austin is also funding space projects aligned with national and economic priorities. So far, it has awarded 6 grants to use satellites in maritime operations and humanitarian disaster response. More grant calls are expected in the coming months.